welcome to Stang Improvement, where we fix what you broke.
Hi, Mr. Mode. Can you fix my rocket?
I have just a tool, my Milwaukee Impact.
Okay.
Another satisfied customer.
Hey, Stang, can you fix this for me?
There's nothing wrong with this. All right.
Sweet!
No returns.
Milwaukee, awesome.
Another satisfied customer.
I'm back.
There's nothing wrong with this. Hey guys, win this car and $30,000 cash right now on StangMode.com. What is up, fam? What is the message? Finds you all one good spurts. What do we have here? We have the band back together. Before we get into today's video, for the new mod for the giveaway Mach 1, Hulk is back. Mamba's back. And big news, if you guys are not following us on StangMode Official on Instagram, our buddy Chris, who won the Bass thing, is already winning car shows. So happy for him. Congrats to you, bro. He's out there winning car shows, killing it. But we got some big news today. Our all new premium merch is here. Our premium line stuff. Check it out. StangMode Official. And your chance to what? Win this bad boy right here. But today's a big day. We are going to have the first performance mod. What? The Lethal Performance Double H-Pipe from Corsa. Oh, it's gonna sound mean. I mean, listen, of course we have the Hulk and we have Mamba. Can't forget about College Mamba. It's so crazy to have the whole band back together, but listen, hold on, before we go any further, yes, I need to get a bigger house. It's coming, it's in time. We have to design something. It's a long story. Want to have a really cool spot to have all these vehicles. Super blessed, super excited. Never thought we'd have the whole band back together, but yes, they're here. And also want to give a shout out to ASAP Transport. They're the ones that delivered the Mamba from Palm Beach for us. They are actually the official sponsor of the giveaway cars and all of our cars going to events. So check them out, link in description, ASAP Transport. Check out Ethan. What do I do? It's a tough life. If you're a Mustang fanatic, it's really tough. You don't know what you want to take, but again, super excited because this is our giveaway Mach 1. This is our craziest giveaway ever. This is our 7th giveaway. And not only do you get this brand new $60,000 Mustang, we're giving you an additional $30,000 in cash, and also our brand new Milwaukee mystery boxes are live. But let's get a little bit of a cold start so you can do before and after. Also, before we get our cold start on, very important, really quick, please drop this subscribe. I mean, I wanted to talk about this, but 90% of people who watch aren't subscribed. Like, we get the views, that's great, but we want to grow. And we're very happy at 137,000 subscribers, but you know, our goal was to get a 200 this year, so please do me a favor. I'd really appreciate if you just give a like and subscribe. Actually, I'll tell you what. Sorry. People coming through and saying hi. All right, I'll tell you what. If you do me a favor, get this video to 3,000 likes. I'll do a cold start on every single one of these Mustangs next video. Get us 3,000 likes. Appreciate the support. All right, let's go. Cold start time. Not bad. We can do better. All right, guys, we are back here.
You excited?
I am excited. Let's see how this thing sounds. Finally. All right.
Gotta love it, right?
Yep, we are back here at Chuck's, seeing the Auto Tech guys for the first performance mod for the Mach 1. This is this right here. Our Lethal Performance Double H-Pipe from Corsa.
What's up?
What's up, baby? Good to see you. All right. All right. Cool beans.
So, do you want to get in on it?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely want to get on that. All right, guys. I don't know if you heard it through the lift, but we're probably going to bring Hulk to run 8 soon. But here we go.
So, you have the factory, what they call the suitcase.
Yes.
So, This muffles a lot of the sound, the tone of the exhaust. So this comes out, the lethal double H-pipe goes in, bing, bang, boom. Now it sounds like a muscle car.
Woo! It sounds, we went double H-pipe because, it has that nice, deep, old school sound. So that's going to be good.
I just deburn the pipe.
What are you torquing them to?
45 foot-pounds.
45.
You go too tight, you'll snap them off. Most people just zip them up until they feel
Yeah.
You go too tight, you can curse the pipe a little bit. Not that that really hurts anything, but if you ever have to disassemble it, it can make things
Unpleasant.
difficult.
Yeah.
Difficult.
Guys, we're all finished. We're dropping her down. You're gonna hear her fire up. We'll do a couple flybys, and I'll put the GoPro on the back bumper, and you'll hear how she sounds. Sounds good. Clean.
Yeah.
Clean.
Very
Very clean. What I like about this mod, it sounds clean. It's not raspy. It's got a nice guttural sound to it. Oof. Beautiful Mustang. All right. Thank you, sir. Where can people find you at, brother?
C&D Auto Tech.
C&D Auto Tech. We'll put a
Facebook,
link.
Yep.
Any number or just?
302-419-8417 down here in Delaware. Any of your Mustang or performance needs in general, just hit me up.
All right. Thank you so much, Chuck. We're going to do some driving now. Alright guys, so let's talk about the driving review of the Double H-Pipe, Corsa Double H-Pipe for Lethal Performance. Use code StangMode, by the way, on lethalperformance.com. Why we chose a particular modification for Maverick, our giveaway car. Basically because it maintains the nice, deep, guttural sound from the factory. It has a nice muscle car classic noise. It's not raspy. Of course, there's no drone. Easy install, nice stainless steel, and very simple modification. Very happy with it. And one of the things I also want to talk about, we talked about the EPA, right? This is an ongoing dialogue, discussion. We wanted to touch base on it. This is a EPA friendly modification. What does that mean? As you know, or may not know, check out link in description about the RPM Act. If you haven't signed the petition, please do. EPA is coming pretty aggressively at people who modify their cars and basically turn them into race cars, like basically what I do. They don't like that, and it's the scary thing about the EPA. It doesn't matter if it's state, it's the EPA is federal government, so it affects everybody. So basically, what's good about this is this does not affect an emissions. We keep the stock catalytic converters. It's just taking off the resonator. So basically, it's going to be a little bit of a deeper noise. It's not crazy enough where it's going to, get you in any trouble, like sound pollution tickets or anything. But it does have just that extra little bit of oomph that you like to hear from the exhaust. Because granted, that suitcase is nice. But when you want to hear your 5.0, putting that nice resonator delete, that Double H pipe, does a trick. So for right now, I would continue to encourage you to look up the information on what's happening with the RPM Act. Please act if you can by signing the petition and also voicing your opinion and your voice to your local congressman, congresswoman, because we have to ensure that we're allowed to continue to modify our cars. Now, granted, I agree, there are some things you shouldn't be able to do. We have to make sure the environment's safe. We have to do all those kind of things. But at the same time, I don't think that there should be a straight guillotine and all that. Simple things like, resonator delete, for example, or colder intake is something that shouldn't be, or tune shouldn't be, something that I think should make your car illegal. But, we'll continue to fight the good fight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the H-Pipe link in the description. And again, guys, we are getting close to the end here. The Maverick giveaway already is wrapping up. Go to StangMode.com, get entered before it's too late. Grab some of our new merch, a hat, and a hoodie or a t-shirt or one of our mystery boxes. I hope you guys like the ad in the beginning, and we had a lot of fun shooting it with the Tim Allen home improvement ad. It might be a little bit, I don't know if your younger viewers know what that's inspired by, but if you know Tim Allen, that's a great show and it's pretty funny. But yeah, check out the giveaway, grab a hat, t-shirt, even a sticker. Just $5 gets you an entry, and you enter to win this car and 30,000 cash. So definitely check it out. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today's video. I appreciate all the support. And as you know, we teased, yes, Hulk is going to take his shot at the quarter mile, see what he can do at the drag strip. Maybe we go 8s, maybe we don't. I don't know. It's all part of the fun. It's all part of the process. And we go from there. All right, you guys, like and subscribe, because it never ends. Peace. If you stayed this long, you rock, and it's a little rev action. Just a little rev action here. Little bonus feature. Let's see how it sounds. Track mode.